Hello developers, welcome to Tencent RTC's tutorial video. I'm Tom, the avatar powered by Tencent RTC. Today, I will teach you how to set up your personal information using TUICallKit. It's very simple, so let's take a look together. And we can use the setSeIfInfo interface to set our personal information, passing our user nickname and avatar URL in string format. Now let's return to our project and implement the setting for personal basic information. After the login is successful, we can implement the personal information setting in our project. Next, we use the TUICallKIt.instance.setSeIfInfo interface to set. Our nickname is TUICallKit and our avatar URL. And this is the avatar information I prepared in advance. And we copy this URL and paste it into the project file. The interface call is successful. Okay, the operation is successful. Finally, we will open another device and initiate an audio call to 666. We can see the basic information of 6666 with TUICallKit as his nickname, and the newly set avatar has the URL we just passed in. And on the 66666 device, we can see that the user who initiated the audio call has the nickname 8888 and his avatar is displayed. We answer the call and it works fine. And that's it. You've successfully set your personal profile photo and nickname in your video calling project. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information and resources, visit our official website, trtc.io. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Welcome you guys to subscribe to our channel. Happy coding.